Today we're going to answer the question, what is the Onshape Learning Center? If you're learning CAD, teaching with CAD, or just want to level up your skills in Onshape, the Onshape Learning Center is there to help. It's a free all-in-one training hub where students can learn step-by-step and educators can access ready-to-use resources to bring CAD into the classroom. The Learning Center offers a range of content including self-paced learning pathways, individual courses, videos, and complete curriculum. Beginners can start with pathways like CAD Basics and Onshape Fundamentals. These guide users through concepts like sketching, part design, and more within the Onshape workflow. Individual courses make up each pathway, making it easy to track progress. If you don't need a full pathway, other individual courses can be used on their own to target specific skills. For educators, the Learning Center also includes dedicated resources for using Onshape in the classroom. Courses like Teaching a Class in Onshape and Classes and Assignments walk through how to set up classes, manage student work, and streamline instruction. There are also ready-to-use curriculum resources like Intro to CAD and Intro to Engineering. These come complete with teacher guides, editable lesson materials, and Onshape documents, making it easy to get started without needing to build everything from scratch. Because Onshape and its Learning Center are cloud native, everything is shared through simple web links. No downloads, installs, or updates are ever required. That means instructors can assign content directly to students, and students can access it instantly. Just sign up, sign in, and go. Learners can also track their progress in their personal dashboard. Here they'll find course history and completion certificates. Finally, the Learning Center provides support for earning the Onshape Certified Associate credential, an achievement that showcases a user's CAD proficiency via a certificate and a shareable badge. Whether you're a student building your skills or an educator planning your next course, the Onshape Learning Center has resources for you. Visit learn.onshape.com to get started today.